Mrs. Johnson spends an average of $463 each week on groceries for her family, which is the best estimate of the amount she will spend on groceries in 6 weeks. Okay, I'm going to start off by circling my question mark. I'm going to go backwards and find my question word. Which? Which is the best estimate? Okay, so I've got an estimate again. That means I need to round of the amount she will spend on groceries in 6 weeks. It says amount she will spend, but what do they mean? Amount of what? What is she spending on groceries? How is she getting these groceries? She's growing them in her backyard, or what is she doing? What do you think she's doing, Noah? How is she getting these groceries? It says she's spending something, but spending what?
Money.
Spending money on groceries. So they're asking me about money. The amount she will spend on groceries in 6 weeks. Okay. Like I said earlier, if a number is a single digit, you don't round it. So the 6 is not changing. Staying a 6. Mrs. Johnson spends an average of $463 each week on groceries for her family. Before I get to the rounding, they use the word each. And when I see words like each and every and per and even amount or equal amount, what operations should I start thinking of? Jada, what are the operations I should start thinking of using? Divide and multiply. Okay, so I know one of these two operations is going to help me. I know that she spends $463, but they wanted me to round. They didn't tell me to round to the tens or round to the hundreds, so I'm just going to round to the biggest place value. Who can remind me, what is that rule or that rhyme that we use for rounding? The rule or the rhyme that we use for rounding. What was it? Kylie, what's the rule that we have for rounding?
5 or more. 5 or more. What?
Got a good start there. 5 or more.
I remember that you have to give it one more, but.
Okay, so add one more.
And then 4 or less, let it rest.
Very good. 5 or more, add one more. 4 or less, let it rest. So let's check the neighbor and see what we do. The neighbor is a 6. Okay, Alexa. So if the neighbor is a 6, what am I going to do to that 4? Am I going to add one more, or do I need to let it rest? What's going to happen to it, Bailey? Oh, I think Bailey's frozen. Well, who can tell me? What am I going to do to that 4? Bradley, am I going to add one more or am I going to let it rest?
Add one more.
Add one more. So instead of 4, if I add one more, it's going to become 5. The numbers after it are going to turn to zeros. So instead of 463, I have 500. So Mrs. Johnson is going and buying groceries. Got a bag of groceries, and the bag of groceries costs $500. It says that is every week. So every week she goes to the groceries, she gets a bag of groceries, $500. Yeah, go ahead, Alexa. But she's not just going to buy groceries one time and that's it. She's going to have to go every week. So she's going to go again and buy groceries. Go again and buy groceries. Go again and buy groceries. She's going to go for 6 weeks buying these groceries. So she keeps on going to the grocery store over and over and over. She keeps buying more and more groceries. Is she going to spend more money or is she going to spend less money? What's going to happen, Kylie? Is the amount of money she's spending going to go up or down?
It's going to go up.
It's going to go up because she's going to have to keep paying, right? We can't just walk into the grocery store and go, hey, I need groceries. And they go, oh, okay, well, you bought groceries from us before. Have these for free. Every time we go, we're going to have to pay. So it's going to be more and more money every time. If it's going to go up, that means we need to multiply. 500 times 6. And again, normally I would write this so that one number is on top of the other one, but because it has trailing zeros, I don't have to because I know a trick. What can I do to the number 500? It's going to make it easier for me to work with. Jaylene, what could I do to the number 500 to make it easier to work with? What could I do, Jaylene? If you say 5 or more, let it score, then that's fine too, Messiah. Do you need some help, Jaylene? Okay, who can help her out? Since 500 has those zeros at the end, what can I do? Bradley?
Get rid of the zeros.
Forever?
No, not forever.
Okay, so I can get rid of them, but not forever, just for a little bit. If I get rid of those zeros, just 5. 5 times 6. Jaylene, what's 5 times 6? What would it be, Jaylene? 5 times 6 is what?
30.
30. Bailey, did you have a question?
I was just raising my hand. I was just
I'm trying to answer the question.
Oh, okay. Well, Bradley, you said earlier that I can't get rid of the zeros forever. And you're right. I need to put them back. Since I took away 2 zeros, I need to put back 2 zeros. So my answer is 3,000. That is how much Mrs. Johnson will spend on groceries in 6 weeks. $3,000.